Hey guys, so finally got my 3 boxes out of my delivery from online. So here's one of them. These are going to be posted on this. These will be uploaded the same day, but they will premiere in different days. One will premiere the day tomorrow, which is Friday, and the others will set to premiere Saturday and Sunday. So let's take a look and see what we can pull. Let's hope we can get another ghost rare. Hopefully, maybe 2 if we're lucky. Just like last time. Agent of Neptune, I've actually been looking for that. Eternity Sage. Alright, box 2. The only and as I've said before, the only reason I do them like this is so you guys don't have to sit through constantly having to open the boxes, watch those things being done, and save you guys some time so you're not sitting here for 10-15 minutes. If y'all are wondering what I'm looking for in terms of ghost rares, I'm actually looking just for 3 copies of Cyber Dragon for my Cyber Legacy deck, which I will eventually do a deck profile on. Eventually. Lamia and Earth. Alright. Number 3. Alright. Generator, Sandwich, 97, Code Explorer, and Chorus in the Sky. Hope everyone's having a good week. It's been a nightmare trying to get these cards here because the when they shipped them, said, oh, well, here's the tracking, but it didn't have any updates until yesterday or the day before, so yeah, I didn't know I was going to get these. There's another copy of that for my buddy. Last pack of the 3rd box. Tetsunekro, Banshee, Chorus, and Uranus. Alright, let's see. Edition, Ashina, Mega Fleet, and Jupiter. Alright, let's see. Saturn, Pluto, Neptune again, Baladrock, and Jormungandr. Boy, Ammonite, Requiem, Pendulum, and Despian Tragedy. Alright, last pack of the 4th box in the display. Borland, Vion, another Fossil Machine Skullwagon. Alright, last 4 packs. Can we get a ghost rare? Let's see. Pluto, Aliber, which is nice. Vion, Root Enforcer. Shine Ball. 2 more packs left. Keep our fingers crossed. Retaliating Sea, Mars, Kruger, Fortress, Vampire Domination. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we got. Brutality, Contract, Strict Mary, Zombie World, and Ying Zing Prana. Alright. No ghosts in that, but we got some good stuff. Hope you guys have a nice day. See ya.